Hey, I want to talk about an important issue that is rarely talked about. How overpopulated, destructive people have killed off 52% of wildlife in the last 40 years. 52%. You may be asking, well, how can I help and make a difference? Well, two of the best things that you can do are being child-free or one and done max, and going vegan or simply leaving animals alone. As super trawler nets rape oceans, we have sick fish farms and nasty factory farms that terrorize billions of animals or sentient beings from birth to death. Also, organic, not poisoning the bees, the birds, and the bugs, or yourself. So organic, reducing plastic waste that ends up in the oceans ingested by sea life. Those are some of the best things you can do. Now, the last thing I want to discuss is where you live. Cities can actually be much better for the environment. You see, we have subways, public transit. You can walk places with your feet. But the subways are great. Rather than suburban sprawl, where you have highways everywhere, you have parking lots that take up so much of the land. Parking lots all over the place. You can't walk anywhere because they're spread out because of the parking lots. So suburban sprawl also deforests and cuts into wildlife habitats. Then people say that deer are overpopulated because they cross a street, which was their forest before we destroyed it. And they will hit them in a high-speed machine and blame it on the wildlife. So, child-free, vegan, city, reduce plastic, organic, and any other ideas in the comments. But those are simple ways to help, especially child-free, vegan is the way to be. So the best thing you could do is simply leaving animals and wildlife alone. Again, 52% of wildlife has been killed off in the last 40 years. Child-free is the way to be. And make birth control free. It saves.